You're not going to come too close. I've got a stranger here. He looks a bit suspicious, doesn't he? Come on. Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come here. Come on. Come on. These might work.
Yeah.
These?
Yeah.
In the background there?
Yeah.
They're willows, right?
Oh, yeah.
And they're a weed, they shouldn't be here.
Oh, really?
Right? And we used to have the same patch here,
Yeah.
but the goats have killed them. And that's good because they're an introduced pest. And the only way...
Willows are, yeah.
Willows, yeah.
Yeah.
And the only way the authorities control them is by poisoning them.
Yeah.
That's a poor goat. So these come from a bit of mixed parentage, these guys.
And that wool is just, will get very long?
No,
don't worry about it.
That'll stay like that because she's only about a third Angora now. So this is an area of native paperbark trees. But what happens is the birds come in and they sit in the paper barks and they spread seeds of things like ivy and other weed trees like protosperums and hawthorns and plums and apples, and they grow in there, and they are just weeds that dominate and gradually take over and actually kill the native paperbarks. So you can see the native paperbarks are actually struggling.
Yeah, they are.
Some of them are falling over.
Dry as a bone, yeah.
Yeah, and it's just... And so as we're getting closer, you'll just see underneath it's just a carpet of ivy and there's nothing else growing in there. And gradually everything that's indigenous is dying. Okay.
And the goats, what do they do?
So the goats go in there and they start eating the ivy and they start eating the trees that are... They'll eat the paperbark as well, but they love the weedy trees. And it's a combination of allowing them to eat what they can reach, and what they can't reach we'll actually chop down, and then they'll eat it when it's on the ground. And they open it up, the sun gets in, the light gets in, and then indigenous plants and weeds all start to grow. And then we plant some indigenous plants. So this is Poa ensiformis, it's a native tussock grass, and they don't eat it. They'll eat around it, they'll eat all the exotic grass around it, but they won't eat it. Or if they do, they just nibble at it.
And we like that.
And we like that. And next to it is this little shrub here. Now, we've figured out that they don't eat that. It's a native shrub.
We like that?
2 metres high, we like that. And so here are two plants that they won't eat. And as you pan up, you'll see sedges and grasses and things, other species that they won't eat. But now, when a bird comes along and he deposits a seed of ivy, or protosperum, or hawthorns, or willows, or anything else that shouldn't be there, and it germinates and grows, the goat walks along, finds it, eats it. If I walk, they'll follow me. Although when I realise I'm not going to give them any food, they stop.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah, they stop. They think, oh, he hasn't got anything for me.